I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause
This week, I'm inspired by the book of Proverbs, and I'm especially focused on chapter 31, verse 25, which says, "She is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future." What's up? What do you do, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin, and if you're new here, I'm just going to ask you to take a second, go on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss whenever I upload a new video. I was about to say today's video is all about, but then the thought hit me. Why do we always say today's video when you guys already saw the title? You peeped the title, that's why you clicked on the video. It's not gonna say in today's video, but like the title says, it is me exciting opening up another Voxbox. Remember last video, I told you guys all about Influenster, and today I went to the mailbox and I was greeted with a pleasant surprise. Another Voxbox. This is it. Do you see it? So this is what it looks like, y'all. Whoops. Did y'all see that? Did you guys just see that? Fell. Oh my goodness. I told you guys many videos ago that I am a klutz, and you just witnessed it for yourself. I almost dropped this big box. Anyways, I'm really excited. I don't know what it is. As you can see, it's still pretty sealed. We're gonna open it together. This is not gonna be a very long video. I just got really excited when I saw it, because I know I told you guys 3 days ago about Influenster and how simple and easy it is. All you have to do, guys, download the Influencer app, fill out your profile, start making reviews about products that you already own, and in the mail, you receive Voxbox. It is literally that simple. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box for the Influencer app. Download it. Download the app. Fill out your profile. Start reviewing products that you already have around the house. Products that you already use, so that these opinions and reviews are honest, because you already use the products. And just like that, you receive them in the mail, just like I did. So now, guys, let's go ahead and open this. Again, you guys know I'm big on packaging, so this is the outside. You've seen the outside. Now let's see what inside looks like. All right, so it's Nivea, and then on this side it has the Influencer logo on it, or name. See that? Okay, perfect. And then it just basically tells you how to get started, how to review the product. So you log into your Influencer app, go to your Nivea Canada Voxbox campaign, try out the Nivea goodies, and then you just write a review on influencer.com, just like that. And then you'll be able to like share it on your socials, so like on Instagram, and like I'm doing for you right now. Nivea Refreshing Body Wash, and it's fresh blends. So it is apricot mango rice milk. Oh my goodness, guys. Heaven. This is given summer, it's given the tropics, because I'm from the island. You guys already know that. So I love my mango. I love mangoes, and this is I cannot wait to try this, you guys. You guys, I cannot wait to try this. Ugh, smells so good. I can't stop smelling it, you guys. This smells so good. This is so good. This is giving a little slice of home, to be honest. In a time when travel is restricted, I cannot get to go home. This is just what the doctor ordered. It's giving a lot, like I'm smelling. So it says apricot mango rice milk. So I am smelling a little bit of the apricot. I don't know. Who knows what does rice milk smell like, you guys? Who knows? But the mango is more overpowering. Close. You guys, Thank you, Nivea, for this. I'm excited to try it, honestly, and I am going to leave my reviews. Thank you guys so much. Oh, smells so good. Okay. And then, ooh, you guys, look at this. So I've been telling you, I told you guys, do not sleep on Influencer. You really, really need to download this app and get started today. I can still smell it. So good. Get started, fill out your profile and get started so that you too can be like me, super excited and just in scent heaven. So this one is Nivea Natural Comfort 0% aluminum. 48-hour deodorant protection, long-lasting freshness. This one again, oh my goodness. Whoa. The scent, guys, this one smells, oh my goodness. This smells so good. It goes on clear, and the scent, it's not a heavy scent. It's definitely given grown, mature, corporate, career woman sexiness. That's what this is given. It is so good. So I actually use Dove, but I'm super excited to try this. I love the fact that it's 0% aluminum. That's big. Sorry, got my hair. Okay. Sidebar. Do you guys see spicy? Still rocking spicy, still loving me some spicy. Comment down below if you guys are still feeling spicy, if you're still feeling the curls. And ooh, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I accomplish these curls because of my second big chop, I have been avoiding heat. So I threw out all my curling iron, but I've discovered this really bomb natural way to get curls. I'm gonna show you guys how I accomplish these curls. But I digress. Back to today's video and my amazing products that came in the mail. I'm going to be reviewing them and I will let you guys know what I feel about them. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for clicking on the link. Hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is @brace_ES35. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you already downloaded your Influencer app. If you haven't, are you going to do it? Are you going to review products? Are you excited? Do you already own? Have you ever tried these? Let's talk about everything whatever you like, your favorite part of today's video. Let's talk about it all down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And as usual, live your blessed life. Bye, y'all.
To believe I'm something special, can't take that from me.